Here, a very interesting question for the Maths Olympiad and for the other competitive exams. Find the values of A, B, and C if AB plus C equal to 2020 and A plus BC equal to 2021. So there are two equations. How many equations? Two equations, but three variables A, B, and C. So two equations and three variables. So how will you solve? It is a problem. So simplify these two equations which satisfy AB plus C equal to 2020 and A plus BC equal to 2021. So find the values of A, B, and C which satisfy these two equations. Now see the solution. AB plus C, consider AB plus C equal to 2020 equation 1 and A plus BC equal to 2021 equation number 2. अभी इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 2 from subtracting equation 1 from 2, equation 1 from equation 2. Therefore equation 1 from equation 2, so we write here equation 2 first. A plus BC minus AB plus C equals 2021 minus 2020. 2020. Therefore A plus BC minus AB minus C equal to 2021 minus 2020, that is 1. Now it can be written as A, here BC and AB. A minus AB plus BC minus C equal to 1. So we see that here A minus AB, if we take here common, so we get rearrange it A minus AB minus C plus BC equal to 1. What is common in these two terms? In these two terms, common is A, that is A 1 minus B. What is common in these two terms? Minus C. We get here minus into plus becomes minus, and here C common, that is 1 minus B equal to 1. Now 1 minus B common again, 1 minus B. In the next bracket, remaining terms A minus C. So we write here A minus C equal to 1. So if we take 1 minus B equal to 0, so what will happen? Now there are two cases, either 1 minus B equal to 1 or A minus C equal to 1. Either 1 minus B equal to 1 or A minus C equal to 1. So therefore 1 minus B equal to 1. So if 1 minus B equal to 1, so what will happen? So solving, there are two cases. Case first, and here A minus C equal to 1. So this is the case second. There are two cases. Taking first case, if 1 minus B equal to 1, if 1 minus B equal to 1, so this, therefore minus B equal to 1 minus 1, minus B equal to 0, that is B equal to 0. This gives 0. B equals 0. Now if B equals 0, so what will happen? If B equal to 0, we write here in equation 1, put B equal to 0 in 1. Therefore A into 0 plus C equal to 2020. So this is 0 plus C equal to 2020. That is C equal to 2020. This is the value of C. If B equal to 0, in second equation, put B equal to 0 in equation 2. Here also equation in equation 1. This is equation. Therefore, if B equal to 0 in second equation, so A plus 0C, A plus 0 into C equal to 2021. Therefore, A equal to 2021. So in this case, B0, C equal to 2020 and A equal to 2021. तो चेक करते हैं क्या ये सेकंड कंडीशन ये वैल्यूज वेरीफाई करती हैं. अगर वेरीफाई करती हैं मींस द सॉल्यूशन इज करेक्ट. तो केस 2 वेरीफाइड. केस 2 A minus C equal to 1. A minus C equal to 1. So what is the value of A? Therefore 2021 minus 2020 and it is equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1, that is LHS equal to RHS. So one possibility here, A equal to 2021, B equal to 0 and C equal to 2020. This is the first possibility, and one more possibility is there. If we take the screenshot for this solution and see the next method, other values for A, B and C. Equations will be same. If we subtract 2 from 1, a small change here, subtracting equation 1 and from equation 2. So we get here A plus BC, second equation first, A plus BC minus AB minus C equal to 2021 minus 2020. Now BC minus C minus AB plus A equal to 1 because of this. So we write here BC minus C and here minus AB plus A. Now BC minus C. So what is common in these two terms? C is common. C common, B minus 1. And here what is common in these two terms? Minus A. So minus A common, we get B minus 1 equal to 1. And here it is minus into plus becomes minus. Now B minus 1, B minus 1, B minus 1 common. We get here C minus A equal to 1. So if B minus 1 equal to 1 or C minus A equal to 1. So case 1 again, case first and case second. So two cases again. So taking B minus 1 equal to 1 as B minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore B equal to 1 plus 1. So B equals 2. So this is the value of B for the this situation. If we rearrange the terms only, so we get different value. In the first case, what we get? B equal to 0. Now in this case, we get B equal to 2. So B equal to 2, we put here in equation 1 and 2. Put B equal to 2 in equations first and second. So what we get here? If B equal to 2, so A into 2 plus C. So here we write here 2A, that is A into 2, 2A plus C equal to 2020. And if we put B equal to 2 in second equation, so what do we get here? A plus 2C equal to, we write here A plus 2C equal to 2021. And let them equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now, what should we do? Now, adding equation 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. So adding 3 and 4, means these two. So what we get? 2a plus a, 3a, c plus 2c plus 3c equal to sum of these two numbers 4041. So what is common here? 3. So divide it by 3. Dividing by 3. We get a plus c equal to 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the and 3 7. 1 3 4 7. And let it be question number 5. 1 3 4 7. Let it be question number 5. Now subtracting 3 and 4. Subtracting 3 from 4. 3 from, or directly you can say subtracting 3 and 4 or 4 from 3. Subtracting 4 from 3. So we get here 2a plus c equal to 2020, and here a plus 2c, equal to 2021. Here subtracting minus minus minus. Change the sign. Now 2a minus a is a, c minus 2c minus c equal to 2020 minus 2021 minus 1. And let it be equation number 6. Now adding equation 5 and 6. What should we do? Adding equation 5 and 6. We get 5 and 6, that is a plus c is 1347, and a minus c equal to minus 1. Adding. So we get here plus and minus c plus c get cancelled. 2a equals 1347 minus 1, 1346. So 2a is 1346. So after that continuation, therefore a equals 1346 upon 2. Now see, 2a is 1346, 1346. Therefore a equal to 1346 upon 2. Therefore a equals, here 2 6 are 12, 273, 673. So a equal to 673. If we put a equal to 673 in equation, in which equation? In equation number 5. Put a equal to 673 in 5. Therefore 673 plus c equal to 1347. Therefore c equals 1347 minus 673. Now subtract it. 7 minus 3, and here it is 14 minus 7, and here it is 674. This is the value of c. So a plus c, here it is how much? A plus c 1347. So value of c equal to 674, and value of b equal to 2, value of a 673, c 674. So there are two solutions for ABC. In the first case, you got b0, a equal to, and a and c both are 2020 and 2021 respectively, and in this case b equal to 2 and a equal to 673, c equal to 674. So there are two solutions for this equation. This is a very nice equation. For similar questions, to watch my videos, continue and join continue.